I can't take it. Oh no. Oh my gosh, wait, look. My heart rate is going up again. This is better than boot camp.
Isn't that the dress you bought for Daddy to give to you?
He gave it to me, but technically I bought it, yes. Okay, that looks like the color of my dress, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. And which purse? This guy? Whoa, whoa. All right, pink purse. Okay, I'm late. I'm gonna change. Hey Google, where is that frozen yogurt place? Yes, they got it. Google, where are my keys?
In the laundry room.
Oh, look, you guys, your dad texted me. Aw. Right. You know.
Are you ready? Are you game? Gonna sing you. Say what you need.
This is the ZenWatch 3. Not only is it the perfect companion to your Zen phone, it's incredibly stylish too. The circular design is distinctly classic. 3 buttons on the side and the usual touchscreen controls make it easy to navigate. From the stitched Italian leather bands to the jewelry-grade 316L steel body, the ZenWatch 3 really is a sight to behold. Silver, gunmetal, and rose gold options are all available. This premium craftsmanship can withstand the test of time. It's easy to make the ZenWatch 3 your own. More than 50 faces are available for download, plus you can build your own with the dedicated Face Designer app. Dive into the ZenWatch Manager app to make fine adjustments. Have an active lifestyle? The ZenWatch 3 can keep up. You can monitor your exercise with the revamped ZenFit app. It's water resistant, and there are rubber sport straps available. The ZenWatch 3 is particularly clever about charging. The brand new Hypercharge system can top up to 60% in only 15 minutes. With the optional battery pack, you can get an extra 40% charge. Beyond that, a special Eco mode can double your battery life. Plus, the new Qualcomm Snapdragon processor uses 25% less power than the previous generation. The Asus ZenWatch 3 embodies luxury for everyone. Visit zenphone.asus.com.
Right now, I need a little action.
Okay, Google. How do planes fly?